This is chapter 13D, working with the distributive property and what to do when you have x's on both sides. And we've done this before in a previous chapter when we have x's on both sides, but this time we also have to work with brackets. So, in order to solve problem A, first of all, distribute. So 4 times x and 4 times positive 2. So that makes 4x plus 8. Equal sign comes straight down, then distribute the second set. 2 times 4x and 2 times positive 8. That makes 8x plus 16. So we solve it like normal, where we carry like terms across the equal sign. Remember, they always become their opposite the moment they switch sides of the equal sign. So I'm going to go ahead and carry my 4x over this way to the 8x, so the 8x stays, it doesn't change. And I'm going to carry my positive 16 across to the positive 8. So when I rewrite this expression, I bring my positive 8 straight down as it is, and my positive 16 becomes a minus 16. Equal sign straight down, bring my 8x straight down, and my 4x that I'm moving over becomes a negative 4x. Now this becomes negative 8, this becomes 4x, and now I just have to find out what's the value of x. So negative 8 divided by that 4 will give me my value of x, and x is equal to negative 2. Pause and solve the second problem. Let's see if you did the same thing as me. So answer is either 11/2 or 5.5. Yes, you could have written 5.5, but it's more preferable to keep your answer as a fraction. And that's it.